How to change name in Carrom Pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are on Carrom Pool and you want to change your in-game name, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Carrom Pool game on your device. Once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon or avatar at the top left corner. And then click on the pencil button right next to your current name at the top. Now go ahead and change your name. Erase the current one and write down a new one. Once done, click on Submit. The first name change is for free. Next time, if you want to change your name again, you'll need to go ahead and spend 100 gems. After you are done, you have successfully changed your name on Carrom Pool. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.